What are smart lights and voice assistants?
Smart lights are LED bulbs or fixtures you can control remotely. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri let you command these lights using your voice. Integrating them means you can turn lights on or off, dim them, or set routines with simple phrases, offering both convenience and energy savings.
How do I connect smart lights to my voice assistant?
First, ensure your smart lights and voice assistant are compatible. Install the manufacturer's app and connect your lights to your Wi-Fi. Then, link the appropriate skill or service, like Alexa Skills or Google Home. Follow the in-app prompts to discover and name your devices. Now, you can control your lights with a voice command.
What voice commands can I use?
Common commands include turn on the living room lights, dim the bedroom light to 50%, or change the kitchen light to blue. You can also create groups, control multiple lights at once, set schedules, or use routines for morning and night, all by speaking naturally to your assistant.
Do I need any extra equipment?
Depending on your brand, you might need a hub like Philips Hue Bridge. Some smart bulbs connect directly to your home Wi-Fi and don't require a hub. Always check compatibility before buying. You'll also need a device with your chosen voice assistant, such as an Echo, Google Nest, or your smartphone for Siri.
Troubleshooting common issues.
If your lights aren't responding, check Wi-Fi connections, make sure devices are on the same network, and update apps. Sometimes, relinking the Smart Lights app to your voice assistant helps. If commands fail, verify the correct device name. For stubborn issues, consult your manufacturer's support for brand-specific tips and solutions.